We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If the HDMI ports aren't clearly labeled, you can check the TV manual, which should indicate which HDMI port to use. Second, you may need to activate ARC output on the TV. You will generally find this feature in the Settings menu, under Audio.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.